Your ice machine works hard every day, but without regular maintenance, mineral buildup and contaminants can affect performance and ice quality. That's why Accucold offers our preventive maintenance plan for ice makers. The dedicated and trained technicians in our network perform a comprehensive cleaning and sanitization to help remove bacteria and other buildup that can accumulate over time. These professionals inspect key components, verify operational readiness, and ensure your machine is producing ice efficiently and reliably. Regular preventive maintenance can help extend the life of your equipment, improve performance, and reduce the risk of unexpected service calls. Accucold recommends servicing ice makers twice each year to keep them operating at their best. Protect your investment and keep your ice machine performing with our preventive maintenance plans. Contact us today to schedule your first maintenance appointment.